Planilac evolution from Saint-Gobain has transformed the outlook towards glass from a sterile and a cold material to a warm material which can be used in innumerable locations. With 15 colors, we have a palette available to us to use it in locations which are in the foreground and as a highlight. In the recent projects with their 15 available colors, we have used them in multiple kinds of ways as a foreground element, as a background element, with lots of avenues available to us to use the glass. With the huge number of colors available to us, we can use it as a highlight element, as a whiteboard, as a reception backdrop. The uses and the possibilities are enormous. We are very happy to use this element and would recommend it for uses in multiple projects like we are using. The first expectation is that you should maintain the quality and if possible keep improving it. Second thing is add some colors, give us some amount of spaces wherein we can customize something which we require. We have got ranges in colors which are solid. We would as architects love colors which can be having options of gradations or patterns or whatever. So we love the material, the kind of outlook it is giving us. Would love to have new options available to us to determine the usage of it. With the recent trends in the industry, emphasis on the safety and security of the people working in the offices are very high. As such, the PlaniSafe glass is an ideal element which we can use because of its high properties of safety and security. The utility of this is immense, made by way of using it as a partition glass or as a backdrop glass. Primary and the fundamental uses of this is as a safety and a security element, which also gives it the security and safety from a outside point of view, also as a safety and security from inside point of view, by virtue of abuse by which a glass may crack, may cause injury to the people who are in the office. With PlaniSafe, this kind of an eventuality can be taken care of. Anything which is bright and anything which is colorful has got a very bright and colorful future, as we can say it. As architects and as designers, our focus is always to deliver to our clients something which is vibrant, which is going to stand the test of times, and also something which is going to make the space look beautiful. So far our experience of using Saint-Gobain Planilac glass has been wonderful. The material as an element has lived up to whatever our expectations are, whatever they have been, and we feel that the future for this element is very bright. The future is bright and colorful, just like your material. As architects, we always look at materials which can add value in aesthetic terms to any space which we design. The material which you have given us gives us exactly the same thing. We have used it very happily and would like to use it in our future projects. So safely I can say that the future for this and the demand for this is going to keep increasing. So it is a very bright and I think a future which you can all look up to. I love white. It gives us a lot of sense of purity, and while it kind of merges with the backdrop, the sheen it lends to any space is something which makes the space look beautiful. I love the white color which you give us. The service has been exceptional, if I may say so. We have got product deliveries on time. After sales also has been good, and your marketing is wonderful. So we are always kept abreast with all developments which you all are having. So we are very, very happy and would like to recommend it to all our colleagues and peers in the industry.